How to change the payment method on Alibaba. Hey everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your payment method on Alibaba. Whether you want to update your card or switch to a different one, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Let's get started. Step 1. Open the Alibaba app. Start by opening the Alibaba app on your device. Once it's open, tap on My Alibaba, which you'll find at the bottom right corner of the screen. Step 2. Access the payment section. After navigating to the My Alibaba page, scroll down and tap on Payment to open the payment settings. Step 3. Add a new card. In the payment settings, you'll see an option to add a new card. Tap on it and then enter your card details, including the card number, expiry date, CVV, and name on the card. Once you've entered all the details, click Confirm, and your new card will be added. Step 4. Remove the old card, optional. If you'd like to remove the old card before adding a new one, simply tap the delete icon next to the old card. Then, confirm by clicking Remove, and the card will be deleted from your account. Step 5. Finalize your changes. Once you've removed the old card or added a new one, your payment method will be successfully updated, and you're all set to use it for purchases. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy and informative tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.